Hello guys, in today's video analysis we'll talk about the DXY, about the US dollar index and about the potential downside reversal. Please read the disclaimer. So we'll talk about the DXY's potential reversal and how this scenario could affect the dollar, the US dollar, and how the US dollar will react. And also guys, if you want to get all our trading signals, you can become a VIP member by accessing the link posted right below this video. Also guys, please follow us on Instagram. We have a lot of VIP content there as well, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have tons of stuff, videos there as well. Thank you. Let's take a look on the DXY. And for the VIPs, I've talked today in my live trading session that we may have something like a downside, maybe breakout here, something like a potential reversal. But right now, and as you can see here on the daily chart, the rate, the DXY, the US dollar index, continues to pressure here this confluence area formed at the intersection between the downtrend line and the uptrend line. Okay, so here we have a major and critical support zone, support area at the intersection between these two downside obstacles. Okay, so unfortunately the price of the DXY, the rate, the index, failed here to resume its growth after registering this pin bar here, printing this pin bar after making a valid breakdown with great separation below the downtrend line. Unfortunately, it has failed to stabilize above 92.84 above, and here it has failed today maybe to stay above the weekly pivot point, and right now it's traded at 92.64, and as I've told you, it continues to pressure the uptrend line and also the downtrend line. So let's go back to the 4-hour chart. But as you already know from my live sessions, from my analysis, I've told you that the DXY, the US dollar index, has printed a rising wedge pattern, a potential reversal pattern. Let's take a look on the RSI as well, because it's very important. So you can see here on the daily that we have a bearish divergence here, lower highs, higher highs, but as long as the price continues to stay within this pattern, the bias is still bullish. Okay, so as long as it stays above the uptrend line, the bias is bullish. A potential growth from here, from this support zone, a potential upside momentum, upwards movement, could signal that the dollar will appreciate versus its rivals, and the potential breakdown here, valid breakdown for the drop, could signal the US dollar depreciation. Okay, so let's take a look here on the 4-hour, and the DXY has finally closed below the uptrend line. It has found support on 78.6 retracement level. Also, it has failed here to close below the S1 weekly support, 92.54, and here as well. One moment, I want to show you guys that we have this bearish divergence. Okay, but as I've said today for the VIPs into the live trading session, I've told you that this breakdown could still be invalidated. Okay, so we'll have to wait for this candle maybe to close maybe above the broken downtrend uptrend line, below the downtrend line, above, sorry, we'll have to wait for this candle to close before maybe taking action on the dollar. So if this candle will close above the uptrend line, it could signal that we may have only a false breakdown and the dollar index could increase. And if this candle maybe will close below the uptrend line, maybe test, retest, here could signal that we may have a valid breakdown, and also this candle could close maybe also below the downtrend line as well, below the uptrend line, and could signal a potential drop. But technically here we'll have to wait for something. If the price stabilizes below the uptrend line, then it should test, retest, and then a new lower low could really signal a potential drop, strong drop, which could signal the dollar's depreciation. Also the rate could drop here, something like this, before dropping deeper. And here a potential pattern, I don't know, something like a bullish engulfing. It's hard to believe that the DXY will print a bullish engulfing here, but still, if this candle will close above the uptrend line, test, retest, other false breakdown, another false breakdown, could signal a potential rally upside movement here in the short term. So that's why we'll have to wait here for something, this confluence area. And you should know that when the price makes only a false breakdown through a confluence area, then the price could move in the opposite direction. And when it will make a breakdown, a valid breakdown through a confluence area, then it should drop aggressively, right? So I want to remind you that the potential growth from here could signal US dollar's appreciation. The dollar could dominate the currency market again if the DXY rallies from here, invalidates its breakdown, and a valid breakdown here below these immediate obstacles from this pattern, test, retests, could bring us something like a downside movement or something like this. Could bring us an important drop, which could signal that the dollar will depreciate versus its rivals, guys. Thank you for watching this video analysis on the DXY, and if you want to get our trading signals, maybe we'll soon identify new trading opportunities and we'll send new fresh signals for the VIPs. So if you want to get our trading signals on the US dollar, you can become a VIP member by accessing the link here, Learn to Trade Go Premium, or by accessing the link posted right below this video. Please follow us on Instagram. Here's our website, Learn to Trade, and please guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.